Yo, what's up, guys? And right now I wanted to get like a quick update on a couple of things that have been happening out. And if you're reading news, you know that the Australia's market and there's like some dips in the stock market happening right now. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Australia's market was down by 6%, and Europe's market was down like 5 to 6%. I can't remember exactly. And a lot of news outlets, because it's great for them for clickbait. I probably did the same thing on the video just to lure you in and give you actual value and the things that some insights that are actually gonna happen. They're saying that that a crash is coming right now, and so the thing is, do not worry, it's not a crash right now. There's things called corrections, right? A correction is sometime, like for example, I don't know, in a day a market dips down for, like as I said, like 5 to 10%, and it's not a crash. Crash is something worse than that. Crash is like, it's way more than that. I can't remember the exact numbers that were said for crash happen, and I think it's above 10% and up, right? Something like that. I think it's like 15% and up. And right now I want to go over the reason why did these crashes happen, what the fuck's happening. So the thing is, USA, they did some corrections for the labor market, and if I'm not mistaken, they raised the wages up by 3%, going down by 1,175 points, and it has been the lowest points-wise it has been since 2011. And so the thing is, the dip is 6%, and what you see right here, it's not a crash. A crash should be continuously going down from here, and this is just correction. I want to tell you that don't worry, this is not a crash. That's number one thing. And things as corrections, they're actually pretty good, because right now we've got S&P 500 index fund up on the screen right now, and since the Trump election day, it's pretty much has been going up. And right now, I think that hasn't happened for a long time, was a correction. And corrections are needed for the market to grow. In the short term, it's just like, as Warren Buffett said, stock markets are the place where the money gets transferred from impatient people to the patient people. And things like these, you should be holding your money through them. Don't jump out, because the only thing that's gonna happen, you're just gonna lose money, because the stock market is gonna rise up after the correction. And the thing with the S&P 500 fund was, it hasn't had a proper correction in pretty much since Trump was elected. And this thing was needed to happen. And now the fund, it isn't like even, it's like set back a month ago. So it's pretty much as low as it was on January, when it still was rising. But like, here's the thing, every correction is pretty much followed, like during history, if we look back at the last 100 years, every crash is followed by a bulls market. Every correction is followed by, definitely not a bulls market, but just a raise in stocks. Yeah, 3%, something like that. And this just, it kind of, started dip in currencies that are happening right now. And then yeah, also guys, Bitcoin is down big time right now. And I'm gonna go to yeah, Bitcoin falls below $6,000. I'm gonna go to CoinDesk and then show it to you, because Bitcoin has been down for long time, pretty long time. It was down to 10K. Now it's even like fucking lower down. Now it's raised up by 0.71%. So as you can see right now, a Bitcoin is costing around 7 grand. So yeah, compared to like, yeah, it's been going up lately, but like compared to what happened last year, it raised up and it crashed down. It's gone then pretty much to the same place it was like on October. It's even higher than that. And the thing is, the same with stock market and everything, it's just a correction. This is not a crash. A crash should be like, guys, remember, Bitcoin will definitely not go down to lower than $1,000, just because it has value. And here's the thing, a lot of people that are investing in Bitcoin, they haven't read the white papers, and that's a huge mistake. You have to know where you're investing in and what's the value of it, because Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, they have value. That's why they're actually worth money, right? And by the way, another thing I wanted to mention is yeah, like for example, for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, even if they get banned, there will be still use for them. Like I don't think that the big countries will allow, you know, a lot, like the huge use for, like, there are mixed opinions on this. Like a couple of days ago, I mean a week ago, I took on a guy that's into crypto and knows a lot about that stuff, and he said that it's gonna replace dollars and the crypto, like the currencies we have right now. I have different opinions. The opinions vary, but yeah. So this is pretty much what I wanted to tell you about what's happening in the market right now, why is it dipping, and why you shouldn't be as worried as you are right now. As you probably are right now. So guys, by the way, I want to mention that for the big news outlets, these types of dips and stuff like that, it's great. It's like great content for them, right? It's like the bread and butter for content because people are into that. And yeah, but yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to like see more of these videos, I haven't done these before, click the subscribe button. And usually I do videos on personal branding and how to make money on social media and online. So subscribe to this channel if you want to see that. And so the thing is, people are stressing about Dow Jones Industries Index Fund going down by